Many new creators are making a big mistake by not writing their script properly, and there are also some old creators who still don't know how to write a proper script. And if you don't learn to write a proper script, then although working for 2 to 3 years on YouTube, you are not going to go viral. It's definitely not an easy job to write a viral script, but it has some hidden tricks to follow. Like every YouTuber, I am not going to tell you to write script word by word. Instead, we will focus on how to write a viral script based on the intro, main part, and outro, because these three are the only parts where your script demands more effort. So let's start with today's script dealing topic. Many of them are confused whether we should write down a script or not. I suggest you write down a script in a paper or in your mobile notes. For channels who are making videos with your own voice, you can write down your script in paper. And for channels with AI voice, can write your script in mobile notes, because it's easy to copy the script and generate the AI voice. I personally write my script in my mobile notes. Firstly, before writing a script, you need to research the topic properly. Once you get your video topic, then you need to collect the data and information related to your videos. I suggest you to make proper research of video topics for your future videos, because even though your script and presentation skill is good, but if you fail in giving a good topic for your viewers, then you are not going to get views and engagement. For finding good and trending topics, you can go with vidIQ application. It suggests 3 new trending topics daily. Or else you can ask ChatGPT to find the viral and trending topics. And there are many interesting ways to find the video topics, but I am not revealing it now because I am planning a detailed video about it in future. So after getting a good topic further, it's time for research on that topic. Do proper research and collect the main important points and write down in a paper which you want to include in your script. So now you have a topic and a bullet points ready. Now the actual motive of this video begins. For your convenience, this video has been further divided into 3 parts. In the first part, we will deal with intro writings. In the second part, we are going to see the actual body part. And at last, we are going to learn the climax part, which will connect your audience to the next video. So let's begin with the intro part. As said earlier, you have to make the intro part better, and this is the dialogue of each and every YouTuber, but I will tell you how to write it as a script. In intro, you have to tell the viewers that what they will be getting in that particular video, because viewers will judge your whole video in intro itself. And keep in mind that write your intro 30 seconds or below that, and don't add unnecessary channel names and channel intros in the beginning because it's too old style. You can follow these 3 unique methods to write your intros. Method number 1, giving confirmation about title and thumbnails. In simple language, you need to tell your audience what all they are going to get in that video so that viewers will get confirmation that they have clicked the right video. The second method is to confuse your audience with your intro, and later you only need to solve that confusion. These kind of intros work like mystery movies. First, they will create confusion, and later on they will go on solving. You can ask various questions in the intro so that they will be confused a bit, and later on solve that confusion. The third method is to problem introduction. These types of intros really help a lot in engaging the audience, and also they will connect with your channel easily. Write down some of the important problems which you have solved in that video. Then in the intro, you need to just say the problems so that the audience will think that you have understood their problems and you are trying to give a solution to them. And if you have given the best solution, then the chances of subscribing to your channel and staying connected with your channel will increase. Okay? Now you have knowledge about intro writing, but if you fail in the main part, then your efforts will be totally wasted, because the main game is in your content, and that is what you are going to present now. So, now let's talk about the main body part, where your viewers will have much more expectations than intros. To write a main part of the video, you need to pick the bullet points in your topics. For example, I will take this video only. You might have noticed that I had clarified you that further you are going to get 3 main parts in this video. So these are the bullet points of this video. I just wrote the 3 bullet points and I am explaining those points step by step. And keep in mind that while switching from one bullet point to another bullet point, you need to make your audience curious about the next point. Like I made in this video, you can go back and check this video. I have built some level of curiosity in viewers while switching from my first bullet point to the second point. And if you still didn't understand, then you can pause the video and read this video script so that you will get some rough ideas on writing the scripts. After completion of the main part, many creators hurry to record the video without writing the outro. This is where you fail as a creator to connect the audience with next videos. Outro is a part where most of the creators tell to subscribe or like or comment for the video. It's not a wrong thing, but you can make some different uses also. Connect your viewers to the next video by adding the end screens. You must add a related video in the end screen so that the viewer will be directed towards another video. And also remember that in outro, viewers must not predict that video is going to end. And I suggest you to write the script only when you are in a calm and happy mood. When you are calm, your brain works and you will write a good script. And don't hurry for writing a script. To write this video script, I have almost taken 2 days, 1 day for research and another day for scripting. And by the way, you have now learned scripting. But wait, if you have a good script, that's not enough yet. As good as you write the script similarly, you need to present it with your extraordinary editing skills. To learn the editing skills, check this video. And if you have liked the video, then please do subscribe to the channel. Recently, I am getting good views, but still 95% of people are watching my videos without subscribing to the channel. Please do subscribe and like the video. Until then, comment the next video topic which you want to see in this channel. I will catch you again in the next video with another great content.